Welcome. If you're looking to end a space on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through each step to make sure you can smoothly close out your audio conversation on the desktop version of X. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the official X website. Log into your account as you normally would. Once you're in, look toward the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see the Spaces icon. This is where all active audio conversations are displayed. Click on it to open the space you're currently hosting or participating in. With the space window open, shift your attention to the top of the space. You'll find an option labeled End. This button is what you'll need to click to begin closing the space. X has made this process straightforward, so you won't have to hunt through menus or settings. After you click End, a confirmation prompt will appear. This step is important because it prevents you from accidentally ending the conversation before you're ready. Double-check that you want to end the space, then confirm your choice by clicking the confirmation button. And that's it. Your space will close, and all participants will be notified that the session has ended. This update makes managing your spaces on PC easier than ever, giving you more control without needing to switch to your phone. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who host spaces on X. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time for more tips and tutorials.